Hello everyone, I am Teacher Chris and welcome to Math Dali. In this video, we're going to talk about addition and subtraction of radicals. We have here the following: y square root of x cubed y minus 7 square root of x cubed y cubed plus 2x square root of x y cubed. On this example, we can see that the given radicals are not similar yet. So according to our first example, if you just watch it, we need to make sure, or whenever we are adding and subtracting radicals, the radicands must be the same. So for us to be able to do it, we need to simplify first our radicands. So to simplify it, first we need to factor out the x cubed here in such a way that the factor or the exponent must be divisible by the nth root here. So for us to be able to understand this better, let's work with the following. So we have here like y square root of, remember when we talk about the square root, there's a imaginary 2 here. So I can just write here 2. And then again, we are going to split x cubed in such a way that 1 must be divisible by 2. So x cubed is the same as x square times y times x times y minus, the same goes with the other one. We're going to factor out the variables inside. When I say factor out, we're going to split the variables or the exponent in such a way that it is divisible by the square or the 2 here. So x cubed becomes x square x and y cubed becomes y square y. And then the same goes with the last one. We are going to have here the 2x and then the square root. I'm just going to write this 2 here and then x, and then we have here like y square y. Remember, we are doing this to make the given radicands be the same or similar. So again, we need to make sure that the exponent of the given variable must be divisible by the nth root that we have here. So to simplify this one further, we can now get the square root of x squared. That will be x. So let me just write it as x and y square root of the remaining variables x, y minus 7. We have here the square root of x squared because 2 here can be divisible by 2, so we can just um, rewrite it as x. The outside, the same goes with y squared. It is divisible by 2. The exponent is already divisible by 2. Then we can just write it here. And then the remaining letters or variables will be x and y. The same goes with the last one. So we have here like 2x, y squared 2. They are divisible. So we have here 2xy square root of x and y. Now we can see that the radicals are already the same and the variables are the same. So we can just combine everything. Remember, if you cannot see any number with this one, we just need to put 1 here. And then we're going to combine everything. 1xy square root of xy minus 7xy will give us negative 6xy square root of xy plus the 2xy we have here, 2xy square root of xy. And then we're going to combine negative 6xy square root of xy plus 2xy square root of xy. So it is negative 6 plus 2. That will be negative 4xy square root of, and then copy the radical xy. So our final answer will be negative 4xy square root of xy. Again, remember that whenever we are adding and subtracting radicals, we make sure that they are similar first. To make this one similar, we are going to factor out the exponent 3. When I say factor out, we're going to split it in such a way that the exponent that we're going to split must be divisible by the nth root we have here. The same goes with the other example or other numbers or terms that we have here. And then afterwards, we're going to simplify by dividing the exponent. 2 divided by 2, that will be 1. And then we're going to write the remaining x and y. The same goes with -7. We have here the x squared and the y squared. They're all both divisible by 2. That's why we have here x and y. Square root of xy. The same goes with the other 2xy square root of xy. Now, as I said, if you cannot see any number with the variable, there is a 1 there. So we can now combine everything. So we just need to add 1 minus 7 plus 2. That will give us -4. And then we're going to copy the variable x, y, square root of x and y. So our final answer will be this one. And that's all for today. See you again next meeting. Bye.